So ಈ changing weather ಅಲ್ಲಿ changing your skincare also becomes very very important. So here is a video where I'm going to talk about my monsoon skincare routine. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ನ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ನೈಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ರೋಟೀನ್, ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ರೋಟೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಆನ್ ಅ ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
For me, night skincare starts with double cleansing. I am using cleansing balm from Plum. So you can use coconut oil or vitamin E oil as well to remove your makeup. So a small trick with the cleansing balm is to remove the cleansing balm using wet wipes. This will improve your cleansing quality. I have used my favorite face wash, that is Himalaya Kesar face wash, for cleansing my skin. Now I'm going with Hyphen by Face serum. So this is a depigmentation serum. This have genuinely improved the texture of my skin, the shade, the tone of my skin, and little acne marks as well. So I'm using a lip balm. So this is basically a Vaseline, and for the face I am using Emmeline moisturizer. Emmeline and Himalaya Kesar face wash are two things that I go back to every single time. Now my recent obsession is the Hyphen serums. It's great, it's amazing for the skin, and it has real corrective properties. So with all of these things, I finish my entire skincare with massage. So massage at nights is extremely important, even in the mornings, but nights are amazing with the massages. So you have to do a massage for like around 5 minutes with these kind of motions that I have shown you. This will help in sculpting your face, reducing fine line, wrinkles, and sagginess of the face. It will make your face firm. So start practicing this at night. It will hardly take you some 5 minutes, but this gives you real benefits, and over the period of time improves your skin quality as well. So as I told you, there are some products that I swear by. So all of that is used in this particular routine. So morning routine is a little similar but with a little bit of different products. See you in the morning. Good morning, you guys. So for my morning skincare routine, I start my day with face mists. So usually I also use ice cubes on my face. So the next thing that I'm going in is again Hyphen serum, but this one is a collagen serum. So both are different. I will drop them in my description box. And for sunscreen, I am using the Renee sunscreen. So this has SPF 70, which is incredible, and this does not have any sort of white cast, and it blends into your skin really well and give you soft dewy skin. So now I'm gonna use only 3 products in the morning. One is my tint, another one is my brow pencil, and a little bit of lip gloss. So this is my final look, you guys. You can see how dewy my skin is, how fresh it is, even after skipping moisturizer. So I swear by this routine.
I hope ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ನೋ ದ ಡ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಶೂರ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಸೊ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಡ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬೈ ಬೈ, ಲವ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್.